If you're watching this, chances are very good that you're a business owner searching for ways to generate more leads and sales using social media. If that's the case, you're in luck. What if I told you there was a highly targeted source of leads and sales that you didn't even know existed? And that with each passing second, you were missing out on huge opportunities to launch or grow your business with social media? What if I told you that you can get access to the blueprint? This blueprint was created to show businesses this brand new way to unlock a passive stream of free leads and sales into your business on a daily basis. Best part is, this strategy is set it and forget it. You can set it up once and reap the benefits forever. It's a no-brainer. And don't worry. It's all 100% beginner proof. Anyone can do this, even if the words viral or landing page scare the heck out of you. In fact, what I'm about to show you is probably the easiest, fastest, and most beginner-friendly way to grow your business with social media today. And I'm willing to bet you didn't even know it existed. The hidden traffic on Facebook. If you want to learn more, just click the Learn More button. I will see you on the other side.